Hello guys, welcome back to another TaxTron YouTube video. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at how to input rental income from investment properties. So if we look at the TaxTron website, we have under the profile section of income, we have several questions that we're looking at here. And this question in particular, where it says, did you receive self-employment or rental income? And for this question, you have to say yes to this. Make sure you say yes to this and then click on next. The next thing that you would need to do is to make sure you input the necessary details for this page. We have our gross rent amounts in here and other related income. Make sure that you input your own amounts in these boxes. So with the expenses sheet, it's the same thing. Make sure that for whatever expense type that is applicable to you, you fill in the expenses that you've paid for them, and make sure to not do all of them that if they are not actually applying to you. And I'm just going to click next. Now over here, this is basically talking about capital cost allowance, and if you have any assets on which you want to be claimed for capital cost allowance. And if you do, you can click yes, and you can fill in the necessary details that are on this page. However, for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to say no for now and click next. And then we have the others page. So this is where you can fill in your business name, your business number, GST number, tax shelter identification number, and any other section for this page that would apply to your business. Once you've done that and you're satisfied with what you put in, you can click on next. And then finally, we have the summary address of property, gross rental income, net rental income detailed for John. And this is where you can see all the numbers over here. And then when you click on the summary button here, so once you've clicked on that button, this is what will print out as a PDF. So if you can double check with all the information that you've put in, just to double check that nothing is missing from this form and that everything seems to be in order. And just to be extra sure, you can click on this arrow right here, and you can see on the left-hand side of the detailed tax return summary that the rental income is over here.
Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to check out our other videos on our TaxTron channel. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to receive more videos. See you next time.